If you've been trying to merge two Evernote accounts, here's the important thing to know right away. Evernote does not have a one-click merge accounts button. But don't worry, you can still combine your notes and notebooks safely using the Evernote desktop app on Mac or Windows. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to export your notebooks from one account and import them into the account you want to keep. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides. Let's get into it. First, open the Evernote desktop application and sign into the account you want to transfer notes from. This is the account you plan to close or stop using later. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and click on Notebooks. This will show you all of the notebooks stored in that account. Now find the notebook you want to move. Next to that notebook, click the More Actions icon, which is the three dots menu. From the options that appear, choose Export Notebook. Evernote will then ask you to choose the export format. Select Evernote XML, which uses the .enx file format. This is the format you'll need for importing into the other account. After that, click Export and save the files somewhere easy to find on your computer, like your desktop or a dedicated folder. If you have more notebooks you want to move, repeat the same process for each one. Take your time here and make sure every notebook you care about has been exported before moving on. Once all of your notebooks are exported, log out of the first Evernote account. Now sign into the second account, which is the account you want to keep as your main Evernote account. This is where all of your notes and notebooks will be consolidated. With the correct account open, go to the File menu at the top of the app. Then choose Import. A file window will open, and this is where you'll select the .enx files you exported earlier. Find the notebook export file, select it, and click Open or Import, depending on your version of Evernote. Evernote will now bring those notes into your current account. If you exported multiple notebooks, repeat the import process for each .enx file. Once the import is finished, your notes should appear inside Evernote, and you can organize them into notebooks as needed. If you notice that some notes need sorting, you can create new notebooks, move notes around, and clean things up so everything is in one place. This is a great time to review tags, note titles, and attachments too, especially if you're combining work and personal accounts. A quick tip: because Evernote doesn't truly merge two accounts automatically, this export and import method is the safest way to do it without losing your content. Always double-check that your exported files were saved correctly before closing the old account. And that's it! You've now learned how to merge Evernote accounts by transferring notebooks from one account into another. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want more Evernote tips in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.